Standard 7 Mathematics third lesson is HCF and LCM. So HCF means what? Highest common factor, and LCM means least common multiple, that we studied in 6th standard. Now let's recall prime numbers. So what is prime numbers? The prime numbers are the numbers which have only two factors, 1 and themselves. The numbers which are only in that table, so that number we call as the prime numbers. Okay, the numbers which having two factors only, 1 and themselves only. So for example 2, 3, 5, 7, these all are the prime numbers. Now look at 2 is the only number which come in only 2's table. 3 is the number which come in only 3's table. So like these numbers we call as the prime numbers, and prime numbers start from 2. Okay, so here are some questions given. Which is the smallest prime number? So smallest prime number 2 is the smallest prime number. So next question is, list the prime numbers from 1 to 50. How many are they? From 1 to 50, list the prime numbers. 1 is not prime number. So prime numbers start from 2. So first 2 write, then 3 is prime number. 4 is prime number? No, because 4 comes in 2's table and 4 table also. Therefore 4 is not prime number. So write 3, 5, 7, 11 is also prime number, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. So these all numbers are the numbers which are factorized by 1 and themselves only. Okay, so there are 15 prime numbers between 1 to 50. Next question is, circle the prime numbers in the list below. So this is the list given, and in that which are the prime number that want to show. So 17 is the prime number, 15 is not prime number because 15 comes in 5's table also and 15 table also. Therefore 15 is not. 4 is also not prime number. Then 3 is the prime number, 2 is the prime number, 23 is the prime number, 41 is the prime number, 43 is the prime number, and 97 is the prime number. Now next point is co-prime numbers. The two numbers which has only one as a common factor are said to be a co-prime, or the relatively prime, or the mutually prime numbers. It means the two numbers which has only one as a common factor. Okay, suppose these two are the numbers 10 and 11. So factors of 10 are, in which table 10 coming? 1, 2, 2's table also 10 coming, 5's table also 10 coming, and 10's table 10 coming. So factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10, and factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now here common factor, what is common between these two factors is what? 1, and here is also 1. So 1 is the only common factor of the number 10 and 21. If the 1 is only common factor of two numbers, then that number we say that the co-prime numbers. Therefore the 10 and 21 are the co-prime numbers. Next is twin prime numbers. So if the difference between two co-prime numbers is 2, so the numbers are said to be a twin prime numbers. If the number between two prime numbers, now look, 3 and 5, these two are the prime numbers, and difference between these two is, so 5 minus 3 is 2. So difference between these two is what? 2. Then this is the twin prime number. Understand? Now 7 minus 5 is 2. Therefore this is also twin prime number. 13 minus 11 is 2. Therefore this is also twin prime numbers. Understand? So twin prime number means if the difference between two co-prime numbers is 2, the numbers are said to be the twin prime numbers. Now let's solve practice set 10. So in that first question is, which number is neither prime nor composite number? So 1 is the only number which is neither prime nor composite number. Neither prime or not composite number. So next question is, which of the following are pairs of co-primes. So in that first is 8 and 14. So write first factors of 8, then factors of 14. So factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, 14. So its common factor is 1. So therefore 1 is the only common factor of the number 8 and 14. Therefore we written as 8 and 14 are the co-prime numbers. Now second question is 4 and 5. So factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. So for which tables coming? 1, 2 and 4. And factors of 5 is 1 and 5. So its common factor is 1. So therefore we return 1 is the only common factor of the number 4 and 5. Therefore 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. Now third question is 17 and 19. So write first factors of 17. Factors of 17 is what? 1 and 17. So 17 in which table coming? 1's table coming and 17's table coming. And factors of 19 is 1 and 19. Therefore here common factor is what? 1. So from this we return, therefore 1 is the only common factor of the number 17 and 19. Therefore 17 and 19 are co-prime numbers. Now next question is 27 and 15. So first write factors of 27. So factors of 27 are 1, 3, 7, 9 and 27. In these tables 27 are coming. Now next factors of 15. So 1, 3, 5 and 15. These are the factors of 15. Now here common factor what is? 1 and 3. These two are the common factors. So write. Now look here, two common factors are. So here more than one common factor of the number 27 and 15. Therefore 27 and 15 are not co-prime number, because if only one is the common factor, then only it is the co-prime number. If more than one, then it is not co-prime number. Now question number 3. List the prime numbers from 25 to 100 and say how many they are. Now list the prime numbers of the 25 to 100. So 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 50, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. These are the prime numbers from 25 to 100, and there are 16 prime numbers between 25 to 100. Now next question is write the 5 pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50. So 1 to 50 prime number, these all are the 1 to 50 prime numbers, okay? And we want to write a twin prime numbers. Okay, 5 pairs of twin prime numbers. So twin prime numbers means what? Which the numbers with difference is 2. So look this number 3 and 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Therefore this is the pair of twin prime number. Next is what? 5 and 7. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Next is 13 and 11. So this is twin prime number. Next is 17 and 19. This is also twin prime number. Now 23 and 29. This is twin prime number. No, because in between 29 and 23 there are more numbers. So its difference is more than 2. Okay. So next 41 and 43. These two are the twin prime number. So these are the twin prime numbers. Next question is write all twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. Now look, from 51 to 100. All twin prime numbers write. Now 53 and 29. This is not possible. Then 59 and 61 is the twin prime number. Next is 67 and 71. This is also not possible. Now 71 and 73 is the twin prime number. The difference between these two are 2. Then this we write the twin prime number. Now next question is which are the even prime numbers. Now 2 is the only even prime number.